All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
Malaysian Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim on Tuesday indicated that his government may consider India's request to extradite controversial Islamic preacher Zakir Naik if it provides evidence against him. At an interactive session at the Indian Council of World Affairs here, Ibrahim also said that the issue shouldn't deter the two countries from enhancing bilateral relations. To a specific question, the issue was not raised by the Indian side during Tuesday's talks. Naik is wanted by the Indian authorities for alleged money laundering and inciting extremism through hate speeches. He left India in 2016. The Islamic preacher was granted permanent residency in Malaysia by the previous government led by Mahathir Mohamad. Ibrahim said that, firstly, it was not raised by the Indian side. Prime Minister Narendra Modi did raise it much earlier, some years back. But the issue is I am not talking about one person. I am talking about the sentiment of extremism, of a compelling case and evidence that suggests the atrocities committed by an individual or group or faction or parties. The Malaysian Prime Minister said his government is open to any ideas and evidence submitted. He also said that, we will not condone terrorism. We have been tough and we have been working together with India on many of these issues against terrorism. But I don't think this one case should deter us from further collaboration and enhancing our bilateral cooperation. The Malaysian Prime Minister began his 3-day visit to India last night in his first trip to the country after becoming the Prime Minister in 2022. Ibrahim also criticized Israel's military actions in Gaza and described the overall situation as the sheer hypocrisy of the West. He told that the atrocities of Israeli forces in Gaza, that's real, killing 40,000 people. That is an atrocity. We must give a very clear message that this hypocrisy must end. You can't talk about genocide in Ukraine because of the bombing of some villages and 40,000 people killed in Gaza as the impact of war, and you can condone that. This is shocking and I call it sheer hypocrisy. It is long-standing but it has to end. In the last he told that, it doesn't matter whether the victims are Muslims or Christians or Hindus or Buddhists or whatever. They are human beings, and in this age for us to say that, I am sorry, nothing can be done, is atrocious. However, since Ibrahim took charge in 2022, both countries settled trade in their own rupee and ringgit currencies in April last year. India's Malaysian palm oil imports have increased as well. Zakir Naik, a controversial Islamic preacher who fled India in 2016, however, continues to be a major irritant in bilateral ties. He is currently in Malaysia after getting asylum there in 2018. Naik is wanted in India for serious charges related to terrorism after his name cropped up in connection with a ghastly terror attack at Holy Artisan Bakery in Dhaka in July 2016.